Welcome back to a new episode of TBH. I'm your host, Jay Spesh, creator, director, and founder of the Beerheads Craft Beer Apparel line. I'm also a certified beer server under the Cicerone Certification Program. Let's get into today's episode. Now, in today's episode, we're going to Vista, California to the Bleaching Beaver Brewing Company to view their seasonal limited release, Horchata Imperial Stout. This is a 9% ABV American Double Imperial Stout. Let's get this into a glass, and I'll let you know what I think of this one. Nice. A subtle note of coffee in here, just subtle. It's not really this big intense coffee. It just has a nice little subtle roast character to it. Big vanilla notes, huge amount of cinnamon in this one, sweetness of caramel. It blends nicely. It has this almost kind of creamy aroma-like nose, a sweet creamy nose. Very fantastic smelling nose. Almost has the comparisons to smelling horchata. Oh yeah. Wow. Nice medium full body to full body. Nicely carbonated. Rich, creamy, sugary texture. Has a nice richness to it. Nice chocolate notes. Hints of coffee roast. Creaminess, almost like a roasted, creamy, sweet milk coffee-like character. But then this big, intense vanilla note, sweetness. Nice amount of cinnamon in there. It gives that sweetness, that wow, rich notes character in this one. It's just really, really good. Just nice characteristics to this beer. Bleaching Beaver's Horchata Imperial Stout, an American Double Imperial Stout brewed with vanilla, cinnamon, and rice malt to this one. Fantastic beer. This company right here, Bleaching Beaver, well known for their peanut butter milk stout, which is probably hands down my favorite beer from them that I enjoy. It's freaking amazing. That beer I could just constantly drink every day, and this beer now is just right up there with it. And it just has this whole, you know, vibe going on with it because I am a Mexican Latino. And horchata it's a fucking amazing drink to enjoy with some tacos and you know, the life. Tacos, horchata, coca, you know, drinking that cola. It's fucking amazing. So having that in a beer, it's just even epic. So it's just you know one of those beers that I just can't get away. It's like a nice little novelty, but it still has the characteristics of giving you that cinnamon, that sweetness, that rice malt for the substitute for like rice in the drink itself. And it's freaking amazing, you guys. It's a nice beer. It's very rich and sweet, so it's definitely a more sipping beer, not something that you're gonna just want to drink tons of. Definitely share this with someone, but other than that, man, I'm not sharing it with no one. I'm drinking this to myself. But other than that, you guys definitely check this one out. Vista, California, Bleaching Beaver. Till the next time, like I always say, live, learn, and drink. I'm gonna enjoy my beer. You guys should do the same.